water with copper sulfate. Distilled water with copper sulfate. Friends, this is a copper sulfate which we have already seen that when we add the copper sulfate to our distilled water, in that situation the LED bulb had glows. See this picture, friends. This is a distilled water. When we add copper sulfate and when we mix the copper sulfate with water, in that situation the water becomes into blue color or navy blue color. When we add that, we have to set up the operators in a same way. When we set up our operators in a same way, at that time only we can. Hello? Hello, Sphero.
Hello.
Hello, Sphero. What is your name?
Good evening. Good afternoon, Sphero.
Good afternoon, Sphero. What is your name?
My name is Nagalakshmi.
Yes, Sphero. Tell me. What's your
My
doubt?
name is Nagalakshmi from Kallur, Khammam district.
Yes, Sphero. What is your doubt? Sphero?
Can
Please
I ask one doubt?
Yes, Sphero. Tell me.
Why do we use LED in the tester instead of a bulb?
Yes, friends. It is a beautiful question. If we use the LED bulb, it is a small instrument which can glows easily. If we use a big bulb instead of LED bulb, in that situation that bulb will be take more electricity. This LED bulb will be glow in any situation. If the electricity is less or more, at that situation the LED bulb will be glows. But when we use our bulbs which are used in our homes, if we use that, the electricity is not enough to that bulb. So LED bulb is used instead of the bulb. I think, Sphero, you had clear your doubt. Yes, Sphero, now we are in the third experiment, that testing conductivity of liquid distilled water with copper sulfate. When we add copper sulfate to the distilled water, in that situation we can observe that the LED bulb had glows. So we say that the copper sulfate is a good conductor of electricity and it allows the electricity to pass. So friends, let us see our result. Oh friends, I had told you that when we are doing the experiments, I told that the thing which allows the electricity to pass is called a good conductor, and the thing which does not allow the electricity is called bad conductor. Here, when we add copper sulfate in a bottle which is filled with distilled water, at that situation the LED bulb had glows and we say it is as a good conductor. Let us see, friends. In this picture we are observing that the LED bulb had glows and the result is LED bulb is glowing, and the second one is it is a good conductor of electricity. Friends, then what is our next one? The next one is distilled water with lemon juice. Friends, when we add lemon juice to the distilled water, in that situation we can observe that LED bulb had glows. Yes, Sphero, hello? Who is that? Hello? Hello?
Hello, good afternoon, Sphero.
Good afternoon, Sphero. What is your name? Friend, what is your
I am
name?
Sri Lakshmi, Sphero.
Yes, Sphero. From?
I am Sri Lakshmi.
What's your
I am
doubt?
from Nelakondapalli, Khammam district.
Yes, Sphero. What is your doubt?
I have one doubt, Sphero.
Yes, Sphero. Tell me. What's your doubt?
What is an electrolyte?
What is the electrolyte? Yes, friends. It is also a good question which we have to know. Electrolyte, it's the measure of the current. Let us see, observe this, friends. We have in our PowerPoint. See friend. See, this is the definition of our electrolyte. Electrolyte, it measures the electricity. Yes, friends, had you clear your doubt? Yes, Sphero. Now, we are in the fourth experiment, that which we have to do with our lemon juice. When we add the lemon juice to the distilled water, in that situation we observe that the LED bulb had glows. Let us try once again, friends. We have to see the operators very carefully. When the operators are totally attached and totally perfect, in that situation only the LED bulb will be glows. See friends, when one material is also missing, we can't observe the LED bulb is glowing. So, suppose if we take this wire and attaches here, does the LED bulb glows? No, because we have to set up all the operators in a perfect way and particular way. And see, our procedure, we had already told that we have to set up all the operators in a same way. Here, testing conductivity of liquid distilled water with lemon juice. When we add lemon juice to the distilled water, we observe that the LED bulb has glows, means light emitting diode has glows. So, we say that it is a good conductor. Let us see friends, our result is matching to our PowerPoint or not. Please keep your eyes on the screen, friends. See friends, our result is correct, that LED bulb is glowing and it is a good conductor of electricity to pass. Then friends, now we had already done these 4 experiments. So, I think now you have an idea about that. So, we had done the experiment and we have know our solutions. Let us see that all the results are correct or not to our PowerPoint. See, keep your eyes on the screen, friends. See friends, what a miracle it is that when we do with distilled water, the LED bulb has not glows. So, it is no. So, we say it is a right. The LED bulb has not glow, means no. And it is a bad conductor. The distilled water is a bad conductor to allow the electricity. Then the second one is distilled water with salt. Here the plus indicates the with. Distilled water with salt. When we do that experiment, we observe that the LED bulb has glows. So, we say it is a yes. Means, does the LED bulb glows? Yes or no? Here, when we are doing our experiment, the LED bulb has glows. So, we say it is a yes. So, distilled water with salt is a good conductor of electricity, and we say the bulb had glows, and it is our correct result when we had done our experiment. And the third one is distilled water with copper sulfate. When we do that experiment with distilled water with copper sulfate, in that situation we observe that the LED bulb has glows. So, we say, does the LED bulb glows or not? Yes, the LED bulb has glows. So, we say that copper sulfate allows the electricity to pass. So, we say it is a good conductor of electricity. Let us see friends. Yes, our result is matching to our PowerPoint, that it is S and it is a good conductor of electricity. And the next one is distilled water with lemon juice. Yes friends, here when we add...
Hello?
Hello friend, what's your name? Hello Svero. Hello Svero, what's your doubt? Svero.
Hello, Saro. My name is Sai Deepka. I am from Nelkondapalli school.
Yes Svero, what's your doubt?
The electric current flow through water.
Will you repeat the question please? Yes friend, the water is in water. We are drinking some water, not the distilled water. we are drinking the filter water. When we are drinking that water, some minerals and salts are added into the water. When we do the experiment with that water, the salts and the minerals will allow the electricity to pass. So we say that water is a good conductor of electricity. Had you clear your doubt, friend? Yes. Friends, now we are in the fourth column, that is distilled water with lemon juice. When we add lemon juice to the distilled water, in that situation, we can observe that the LED bulb had glows. What is the meaning of LED bulb, friend? Yes, LED bulb is nothing but light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. So here, does the LED bulb glows? Yes, when we are doing our experiment, the LED bulb has glows. So we say it is a yes. And what we say, it is good or bad conductor? Here the lemon juice allows the electricity to pass. So what would we say that? We say that it is a good conductor of electricity. See friends, yes friends, it is a good conductor of electricity. When we are doing our experiment, friends, I had already told you that after completing our result, we have to compare with the PowerPoint. When we compare, at that situation, if it is mistake also, we will rewrite that. Or else, if we do our experiment and if we leave it, sometimes it will be wrong. If we want to go and do it somewhere, at that situation, we have to face so many difficulties. So, when we are doing our experiment, we have to try it 1 or 2 times. Yes, friends? Yes, friends. Now, once Vero had asked the question that does the water will be allows the electricity? Yes, the water will be allows the electricity. This is our pure mineral water which we can drink. Yes, Veros? When we drink this water, for drinking that, they'll add some minerals and some salts to be fresh and tasty. When we drink this distilled water, it's not good to our health. So, we have to drink the mineral water which is mixed with salts and minerals. When we do the experiment with this water, at that situation, the water will be allows the electricity because in this water we have some salts and minerals to allow the electricity. Friends, you have listened that when we are going to switch on our fans or televisions, at that situation our parents will give us precautions that don't touch the electrical appliance with wet hands, because the water, by doing this experiment, we understand that this water will be allows the electricity to pass. So, I hope that you never touch the electrical appliance with your wet hands. And friends, now we had done all these experiments, yeah. Then had you see with pound water? Pound water also have some salts and some minerals. So by that also the pound water also allows the electricity to pass. So we say that pound water is also a good conductor of electricity. Yes friends, now we had know about that. When we, yes, hello Svero, what is your name? Hello Svero, what's your name?
Hello Akila, hi. Hi Akila, I am Pramoda, Principal Gavladi.
Yes madam. Good afternoon madam.
How are you?
Fine ma'am, how are you ma'am?
Yeah, you have proved that you are really a super student.
Thank you ma'am.
Yes, now one of my students wants to ask you a question, right?
Yes ma'am, because of your inspiration and because of your encouragement and motivating, I had came up to this stage. If there is no encouragement if there is no encouragement of you and our staff teachers, I never come this stage. Yes ma'am.
I feel great to have you, Rajra.
Thank you ma'am.
I feel great I feel great to have you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now see the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Saro.
Ma'am? Yes.
Good afternoon, I'm Sindhu of Dalgudi Institution.
Will you repeat the question, please? Sparrow?
Will the LED bulb glow when other chemicals are mixed with distilled water?
Yes, Sparrow. When we add not only salt, copper sulfate or lemon juice, if we add other chemicals also, the water will allows the electricity, because in all the liquids, distilled water is a pure water, because there are no minerals and salts or chemicals. When we add the chemicals, not only this salt, copper sulfate and lemon, when we add other chemicals also, the electricity will be allows in that, because chemical is also a good conductor of electricity. Had you cleared out? Had you cleared your doubts, Sparrow? Yes. Friends, now we had told that when we are going to touch the electrical appliance, we have to be very careful. We have to operate the electrical appliance with dry hands. Our parents will give so many precautions to us. Yes or no, friends? Yes. Then, friends, I have to say you one thing, that we have electricity, we can use it so many ways, but you don't want to waste the electricity, because the coal is decreasing so much in our earth. So we have to use our electricity in a proper way. And when we do the experiment, friends, with distilled water, it does not allow the electricity. At that situation, distilled water becomes as a bad conductor. But when we add salt or copper sulfate or lemon to the distilled water, in that situation we can observe that the electricity is flowing from that. We say salt is a good conductor of electricity and copper is a good conductor of electricity. Then lemon is also a good conductor of electricity. Friends, once keep your eyes on the screen. See, friends, today's our last conclusion is from above observation, means from above experiments we observe that distilled water does not allow the electric current to pass. Water in its pure distilled from is a bad conductor of electricity. I had told you later that when we add some salts or some minerals to the distilled water, in that situation only the distilled water turns into good conductor. But when it is in totally with distilled water, it is a bad conductor. And friends, see the second point, that but when water contains salts or acids to allow the passage of electric current, and it turns into a good conductor of electricity. So friends, here finally we notice that the distilled water is not a good conductor to pass the electricity, but the drinking water and the mineral water is a good conductor of electricity. Friends, I hope that you never touch the electrical appliance with wet hands, and if you want to try this experiment in your schools, you want to be very careful. Okay friends, I want to thankful to my dear secretary sir and my escort teacher and to my principal ma'am and all the teachers who are encouraged me to come and say the live program in front of you. I am very proud of you, Sparrows. I am very proud of our secretary sir. Thank you sir. From our bottom of my heart, I am saying very thankful to our secretary sir. Thank you.